Hello dear kids, in our previous videos we have learned to calculate two measures of the central tendency, that are arithmetic mean and median. In this video we will see the process to calculate mode of the set of observations. First of all, let me tell you what is the meaning of the mode. Mode is the value of the set of observation which occur most often, means which repeats maximum time in the set of observation. That observation is called mode of the given set of the observation. To understand it better, we have an example here with us. Have a look. I have taken few numbers here that are 13, 16, 12, 14, 19, 12, 14, 13 and 14. In this, to get that which number is being repeated here and how many times, it would become convenient if we arrange them in order. As I have told you in median that we arrange the data in any order, either ascending or descending. So that arrangement is called as array. So for that mode also, let us prepare array first. So I am going to start it with the smallest number here in the observation, which I have 12. I have number 12 two times here. So I will write it down 2 times. The next number is 13. That is also 2 times we have here. After this, the number 14 that we have 1, 2, 3 times here. Then next number is 16, which is only once here, and then we have 19. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Total 9 observation we have in all. Let us tally. Again in array also we should have the same number of observations. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So our array is ready now. Now we will see the frequency of each observation here. That means which number is repeated here and how many times. We can see the observation 12 is 2 times here. Same 13 also. Observation 14 is coming 3 times here. And then 16 and 19, these are 1 time only. So by this arrangement we can get that frequency of 12 is 2. Frequency of 13 is also 2. Frequency of 14 is 3. 16 is 1 and 19 is also 1. So which observation occur most often here? That is the maximum 3 times and the observation is 14. So in this question our mode is 14. Now if I increase one more observation in this set, suppose we have 113 also here. Now 13 also increased 1 time. That is 3 times. What to do in such case? If we have the data which is being repeated number of time, and if 2 datas are here which are repeated equal number of time in the set of observation, so we will include both the observation in our answer. In that case we will say, in that I have added one more 13, so that one more 13 will come here. So that means 13 also 3 times and 14 also 3 times. So in such case mode of the set of observation will be 14 and 13. So that we conclude by this is that any set of observation can have more than one mode. So this is the way to calculate mode of the given set of observation. Hope the process is clear. If you like the video, press the like button and leave your precious comment in the comment box. Thank you so much.